Every time Sinclair and Boxer, birthday come, a king was born. Are you okay? You cannot show your partner love as a woman. You are collecting. What happened to Lamborghini? What happened to Iwakon? What happened to Rolls Royce? Learn how to go and price land. Buy that land. Give him the document on his name. On it. Price it. Latest iPhone. Come, you buy it. Why are you collecting everything? On your birthday, they buy you hair. They do you money bouquet. They do surprise party. They do this one. You collect hair. On Jesus' birthday, you collect. On your son's birthday, you collect. Your mama's birthday, you say, oh, my mommy is, you collect. What happened to him? You collect. One day you're gonna collect the young man destiny. Every time Boxer Sinclair and Frame. When I know tired, are you not ashamed? No be your mate, they buy a person Lamborghini. Price down Lamborghini, you buy it. Buy the Lamborghini, it's not expensive. You can afford it. You can do it. Buy the Rolls Royce. How much is Rolls Royce? How much is land in Banana Island? How much is house in Banana Island? Stop being ungrateful and start showing some appreciation. Show that man appreciation, not every time Boxer.